All started with remote control airplanes. When I was very little, I always thought that was the coolest thing. And yeah, that's kind of where it started, tinkering with things. It turned into my dad's weed whacker and then a welder, and then kind of just blew up from there. My name is Austin Smith. I'm at the Pittsburgh Institute of Aeronautics Pittsburgh campus, and I am in the Aircraft Maintenance Technician Associate Degree program. Well, I guess sort of leading up to this and my decision to come here wasn't based around aviation originally. I did want to be some sort of mechanic. Went to college for a little bit and that didn't work out well for me. And after some time realized that I still wanted to be a mechanic and looked at what might be the most difficult and prestigious path. So I chose aviation and kind of refound my love for airplanes like when I was a kid. I guess a favorite project of mine, something that would stand out, probably was the first time I really felt like I was doing something as an aircraft mechanic. Might be kind of funny, it doesn't sound like what most people would say is, but it'd be a 100-hour inspection on an airplane, where you're tasked with looking over essentially a checklist of many different things that encompasses quite a lot on an airplane. And it's vital that these things are done right, correctly, and you're not only looking at what you're supposed to be looking at, but everything around it, and really having a microscopic view as well as an overview of everything, because it's really, you're the last one to make sure this thing is safe. As far as jobs, I do have a job lined up. It's a contract to hire position with Delta, which is sort of rare for someone coming out of the school without any experience. It's a 6-month to 1-year trial to actually be hired on as a true Delta employee. And throughout that time, I will be doing the not menial tasks, but essentially work on interiors, toilets, lavatories, the kitchens, those sort of things, where someone who's new to the industry and doesn't really know how to conduct themselves is going to be as unharmful as possible in that environment. Now that I'm a PIA graduate, even though I did have what I felt was like a pretty okay, more than most sort of background in mechanics, I do feel more well-rounded. I feel like I've been exposed to quite a few more things than I ever would have on my own. Electricity, composites. So yeah, I feel just that much more confident in my abilities to get a book, know how something is going to work or figure it out myself, and go and rebuild it and it'd be done right the first time I ever did something.